Hello everyone, myself Shivam Gore, and today daily task topic is hard work versus smart work. Hard work means the putting the lot of efforts, time and energy into what we do, and we believe that the working really we have can achieve great thing, great things great things and the for example doing the physical labor and basic training in the army and return of books, etc are the example of hard work. And now discuss the smart work. Smart work on the other hand is about using the brain and find the best way of the thing to solve the problem or any work to achieve. They are the smart work and use of brain and find the best way. When we work smarter, we do things more effectively. We make the take easy and faster. For example, placing bricks, wheels or rolling objects. This saves time and energy. It's called as a smart work. Smart work means the saving time and energy is the smart work. And marketing and targeting of special audience, it also for example smart work. Further studying online, studying online and work from home include the smart work. Further studying online classes and work from home, they are included in the smart work. Now to discuss the smart work, as we navigate the maze of responsibilities, ambitions, understanding and dedicate balance between these are two pronouns. And now hard work often see as the bedrock success involves the putting persistent effort, dedicating countless hours and laboring journey grid molds. And they hard work but not achieve the goal. And anytime too busy and continuously hard work, they are the hard work. In our fast place word in important, they are the and smart work cannot be overstated. It's about the efficacy and use a strategy in specific strategy and innovation, working smartly, taking steps, analyze the best of way, analyze the best way and work smartly, taking the step back to analyze the any situation. And there now the hard work means the putting the lot of efforts and energy loss and someone's to hard work and time and energy is lost. And smart work is the any strategy or easy way to solve any problem. They are the difference between. And now to discuss the conclusion of hard work and smart work. The choice between the smart work and hard work depends upon the content and goal. Both approach have their the places in achieving success. And doubtful combination of combination of both approaches have their places in achieving the success. And doubtful combination, the two can be land and lead to optimal results in various aspects of life. Thanks for watching my video and thank you.